Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Time Off Outdoors. We are going to do the Prusik knot like I told you guys last week. Now it's called the Prusik knot, but technically this is a hitch. And it's a very easy thing to do. Here we can see the two parts that you're going to need. You're going to need a larger diameter rope and a smaller piece of accessory cord or parachute cord. Either one of those will work. But the trick to getting this knot right is the fact that you have to have a larger diameter rope to put your Prusik knot on. That's what is the secret to getting it to grip. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to show you the knot. Here it is. We have our main line, and then this is the Prusik knot right here. This is just a loop of parachute cord that we put the double fisherman's knot we learned last week to make a continuous loop. Now, you can see there's four little parallel lines. If we flip it around, there's a loop and then two in the middle. So we actually wrapped this around this twice, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick look at the knot up close before I showed you how. Alright, so this is a very easy knot to do. First thing we're going to do is just take our loop, and we're going to put one end over the rope like this. Hold on. Focus. There we go. We got it over the loop. Now we're going to take our line and pass it through this hole and bring it out. Sorry, I'm going to try to keep this in frame. Now you can see I have one loop and then I passed it through. Now we're just going to do that same process one more time. So we're going to go around like that, go all the way around our rope, making sure that we keep these two lines lined up, and then we're going to come through here like that, and we're going to make sure we got everything straight still like that. So there you can see it. Now we're just going to kind of work it tight. Clean up a bit, dress our knot. Takes a little bit of time, but there we have it. Now the Prusik knot, the cool thing about it is you can use it as a tension knot. So we can kind of loosen this up a little bit and slide it up, and then once we actually put weight on this, it's going to stay there. Same thing with that way. So we just got to loosen it back up, slide it to where we want, dress it up again, put some tension on it, and it's going to stay there. Now this makes it useful for hanging a tarp. This is used for climbing too. When you're doing rescues, you attach this to yourself and you can go up the knot or up the rope and hold on. You could also use this to literally just climb the rope. If you made two of these, you put your foot in a loop and your foot in the other one and lift up with your hands. So it's a very useful knot. I actually use it for a tarp. When I'm putting my tarp up over my hammock, I'll tie the tarp to the end of this, and then I can really tighten it up and get the tarp nice and tight. So I hope this video has helped, guys, and tune in next week. Thanks.